Hello everyone, this is Adeline Josna Pinto, 2011-14 batch student of Carmel College.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself first. My name is Deepthi Jovita Tauro and I'm here to share my experience about Carmel College.
Hi everyone, myself Bavita Felicita Pereira. I completed my BBA in Carmel College in the academic year 2017 to 2020.
Myself Jocelyn D'Souza, a proud alumni of Carmel College, Monaco. I have completed my Bachelor's in Commerce in the year 2018.
Hi everyone, myself Raksha Jain. I pursued my BBA degree from Carmel College, Modankap in the academic year 2017 to 2020.
Everyone, my name is Carol. I did my Bachelor of Commerce from Carmel College, Madanka, and currently am pursuing LLB from SDM Law College, Bangalore.
I am Saujanya, alumni of Carmel College, Modankapur. I have passed out in the year 2015 in Bachelor of Business Administration.
Hi everybody, this is Marwan, first batch student of Carmel College, Modankapur in the year 2010-11.
Hi everyone, I am Preeti. I had pursued my PU and degree in Carmel institution. Presently, I am working in Excelka Technologies Private Limited, Bangalore as an account associate from past 2 years. I am very happy to be a student of Carmel Institute where we had a very good and supportive foundation of education.
This is Jason Pinto and I'm currently working as a senior recruitment consultant at CareerNet Technologies in Bangalore. After my PUC education in the year 2014, when I thought of pursuing a BBA, the first choice that I had in my mind was Carmel College, Modankap. Before I joined Carmel College, I used to get scared to speak in English and used to get so nervous to stand in front of a crowd and perform something. But things have changed drastically in the year between the year 2014 to 2017. When I was there in Carmel College, I got several opportunities to take part in the intercollegiate competitions in the university and state levels. So one of them was Divya Student of the Year 2016 tournament, which was a 6-month long tournament, and there were about 100 students who participated from 50 different colleges from in and around Bangalore and Udupi. I took part in this tournament. I got very good support from our principal, our teaching staff, the NSS unit of our college and all my dear friends. And I went on to win this award, which was a big breakthrough of my life. I was the student leader of our college NSS unit and I got the opportunity to take part in 4 university level NSS camps. I was nominated as the student union secretary and we organized OSS 2016, the first ever national level intercollegiate cultural fest in our campus. Despite of all this, my studies were not affected. I got distinction consistently in all the 6 semesters and I'm very happy and would love to be associated with Carmel College for the rest of my life. Amidst the beautiful environment of Modankap vicinity, our college has the best infrastructure for studies, sports and athletics. A very good thing about our teaching faculty is that they focus on the overall development of each and every single student, be it for studies or extracurricular activities.
Currently, I'm working as a lecturer at Trisha College of Commerce and Management. College life is not just about graduation. In this competitive world, students can't just stick on to the syllabus and rely upon that. They need practical experience as well. And Carmel College not just provide education in excelling in academics, but also provides plenty of opportunities that makes a way for self-development.
I belong to the first ever batch from BBM and currently I am working as a banker for MCC Bank. To be frank, I had great college days and those were the golden years of my life. To be precise, the lecturers of the college were very nice and supportive to all the students and they were encouraging in all the aspects.
Presently, I am working. It's been 1.5 years since I left my college and I miss those wonderful days of my college life. The days which I spent in Carmel College was the golden days of my life. Carmel College not only gave me a education, but it also gave me a values that which are important in my life.
I'm here to share some of the memories that are associated of mine with Carmel College. Carmel College is a platform which gives the students not only excel the academic side, but also make sure the students are good at the extracurricular activities too. Coming to my example, I was good at academics, but I didn't know I am good at extracurricular activities too. I have participated in the singing competition, dancing competitions, and even the intercollegiate competitions held by Carmel College.
Carmel College provides students a great balance of academic and extracurricular activities. It also believes in imparting moral and ethical knowledge among the students. It also conducts many competitions which helps the students to realize their hidden capacities.
Currently, I'm pursuing LLB from SDM Law College, Bangalore. So, in my 3 years of graduation life, I learnt many things, and there are so many good memories to remember because we used to get a lot of opportunities to participate in inter as well as intercollegiate activities. And I remember where I had participated in Divya's competition. So, as a part of that competition, we along with NSS students had organized a Seva project. So by participating in all those activities, I improved my leadership quality, self-confidence, and I gained more knowledge.
I have completed my MBA in Sahyadri College of Engineering and Management. After completion of my MBA, I have joined London Stock Exchange group of companies in Bangalore. It's almost 4 years now I am working with them as a senior compliance specialist. First of all, I would like to thank all my lecturers who are really supportive and friendly, which helped me to grow in my career. Carmel College have a skilled lecturers who has expertise in their own area of subject. They also encourage the students for join the extracurricular activity to build their future.
It's almost 10 years now. Present I'm working as a HSA officer in UAE, Dubai. I want to say some few words about my college. The college life was the golden life we had. The youth will never forget, and we got a quality education in Carmel institution. Also, we participated in all the activities, maybe sports or co-curricular activities. Our principal, our lectures, totally our faculty was very good and motivating.
On the occasion of completing 10 golden years, I would like to wish our management, the principal, teaching and supporting staff, and all my dear friends a very happy decennial anniversary. May the Mother of Carmel bless each and every one of us. Thank you.